Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable password protected sharing on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for Control Panel. Best result, check it back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to large icons, and then select Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, select where it says Change Advanced Sharing Settings. And then if you scroll down underneath All Networks and expand that, where it says Turn Off Password Protected Sharing at the bottom, go ahead and select that and then select Save Changes. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.